In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to set up and install the Krust Smart Mini UPS. After unboxing, please check if it comes with the following components: one Smart Mini UPS, one thick pin input connector, one thin pin output connector, and an instruction manual. Before connecting the Smart Mini UPS, let us check whether it is compatible with the Wi-Fi router. As seen at the bottom of the device, it supports routers with the following power ratings: 9 volts up to 2.6 amperes and 12 volts up to 2 amperes. The input power rating of this Wi-Fi router is 9 volts, 0.6 ampere. The output power rating of this Wi-Fi router's adapter is also 9 volts, 0.6 ampere. As both the router and the adapter are 9 volts and under 2.6 ampere, they are compatible with the Krust UPS. Let's begin setting up the device. Switch off the Wi-Fi router and unplug the power cable from the back of the router. Connect the power adapter's cable to the input of the Smart Mini UPS. If your power adapter has a thin pin connector, you can use the thin to thick pin connector provided in the box. Switch on the power adapter and wait for the Krust Smart Mini UPS to detect the input voltage. Notice the red light at the top indicating that the Mini UPS is now in the 9 volt mode. Connect the output cable of the Smart Mini UPS to the Wi-Fi router. You can use the connector pin provided in the box if needed. That's all. Sit back and relax. You now have uninterrupted internet access. Your router will stay on even when the power goes down. We hope you enjoyed the installation of the Krust Smart Mini UPS.